Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a date, orange, pineapple, banana omelet smoothie. I am feeling so wonderful lately. I just feel like the more you eat well, the better you feel. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more you think of yourself in a certain way, the more you will become that. Caring for your body is the number one way to show yourself love and appreciation and care, and then you can offer that to others. As I was pitting dates, unless you use them quite often, you will miss this, is that they can grow mold quite easily, and if you don't inspect them as you're pitting them, you will miss it. So make sure that you don't have any, see if I can get that any closer. You can kind of see that mold growing in there. Ooh. Make sure you catch those and you throw them out instead of putting them in. So I'm going to add my water first, actually. A bit of almond powder. I'm not measuring super closely this time. Oranges, so I've got 3 clementines, and you can also just do 1 large orange, and then I have about 10 dates here. And we are traveling to go camping for a week today. So I always like to include dates and stuff because it's so easy to get dehydrated as you're traveling. And also just not eat the foods that maybe you're used to. So I just put 2 frozen bananas in there. And then I'm going to put about 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Pretty big smoothie. I'm going to share this with my 2 kids. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful smoothie. Let's taste it.
Yummy, yummy, yum, 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 yummy, 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 yummy.